gonna give her kind of a side pony, but you don't need to use all the hair in a ponytail. We're just gonna give it a cute braid down the back, and then put an elastic and let her hair kind of flow over. And so right now we're doing a fishtail braid. It's kind of like a fishtail French braid, just to give it a little more variety, so it's not just your basic braid. And fishtails are really in right now, so Jennifer just loves the fishtail braid. So we're just gonna braid this all the way down, and we sectioned off this piece so that we can get all the way to the bottom and not get her other hair in our way. Alright, so to do a French braid tutorial for a fishtail French braid, regular French braid, you just take a small amount from the side and just cross it over to the other side. And you don't want to take a big amount because then it'll look like a regular braid. So you're just taking little pieces from the outside and bringing them to the next piece. And in order to make it more attached to your head like a French braid, as you go down like this, every so often you'll grab a little layer of hair underneath and add it, just like you would regular braid. And just always make sure you take small pieces.
So if a customer wanted this kind of style, it would be included in any of your packages? Is that right?
Yes, braids are included in the styles.
Oh!
Hey Shiloh. I'm sure there is more blonde right here.